No, no, I'm giving you.
Oh, blue, beautiful. What's up, people? Got a new video for you. And what is it? It's an unboxing. Haven't done that in like a year. An unboxing of what? It's the Osu pen replacement. And yeah. Now, before we do anything, let's see what they have to say about the pen on the website. So here it is. Osu tablet replacement pen. I don't know if you guys can necessarily read that. Alright, let's see what we got here. Obliterate your Osu tablet's pen? Need a replacement? Look no further. This is the new model pen with built-in battery, rechargeable using included USB cable. It works with the older white Osu tablet, which is the one I have, as well as the new black version. Note that this replacement only comes with one nib. That's quite alright because I still have like all the other nibs extra, not counting the one that's on my pen, so you know. Now I have 5 nibs. Now let's get on to the unboxing. I haven't done these in a while, so I sound really retarded. So, what do we got here? It is the center signature is Dean Herbert. It's Peppy. I don't know if he actually signed it, but whatever. My hand's on here because my friend's address is on there, and I really don't want to disclose that. So I'm going to take that invoice out, as I learned it's called due to all the package I received. And that's the package. Let's see what we got here. Blah blah blah, not important. Now, this is the package. And now we're going to open it. And we have this here tab thing. We're going to pull that. Wow, rips clean. Beautiful. Oh. Look at that. What we get? What we got? Oh! What is it? It's the new pen for the new tablet. And according to the website, it says it works. So, yeah. It should work on my white tablet, which I have here. My pen broke a while ago. This is what it looks like, the old pen. And here is the new pen. Now, this pen, the white pen, is one that uses a battery. That was really annoying because, you know, they run out eventually. Another thing I didn't like is this screw-on feature. Because it's in 2 pieces, it cracks. You see that? That actually cracked 2 weeks into owning this tablet. So yeah, because it separates into 2 pieces, it actually becomes pretty weak. So there's that. Alright, now let's talk about the black pen. Here's the black pen. So it doesn't unscrew. It comes with this cap thing. Very fancy. Now I already see some differences. And I'll compare them as I go. So here it is. More simplistic. No screw. So it's most likely not going to crack as easily. And it doesn't have that clicking pen feature, which is on and off of this pen. Another thing is that this is rechargeable, which is awesome. I don't ever have to buy AAA batteries just to work a tablet pen. That's beautiful. Now, something I see is that it's a little bit like rubberized here. I don't know if it's necessarily rubber, but then like it's not necessarily a glossy plastic like this. So it definitely provides, you know, it feels better. The thing is, it doesn't quite grip as well. You see that? It's dirt. That's pretty nasty. One thing I see is that this does not taper. Well, this does. Now, I don't know if that necessarily will affect handwriting, but you know, well, necessarily holding the pen, but maybe it will. That's one thing to consider. So the black pen's way more simplistic. Comes with this cap, and you know it's chargeable. You don't ever need to buy batteries. This, it's a you know the old one. It uses battery, has it on and off, and it comes with the with the white tablet. Anyway, so this is my current setup because you know I was stuck with mouse, and this is the mouse I used. And you know I actually got tad decent with mouse. Thing is, I couldn't get any PP with it, so there's that. But I can still do flashlight plays and spin really fast. Anyways, enough of bragging. My mom's a little pissed today. Anyway, it's been a while since I used tablet, and here it is. Let's open up Osu. Okay, so this is my tablet. And I am going to use it, hopefully for the first time. Now, the thing I am scared is that the pen does not have battery. But, you know, only one way to find out. So, let's see. See, a light blinking, so my tablet still works. It's just that my pen was obliterated. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if this pen works. If I can just find it. It is. Holy shit, does it not work? I'll be really sad if it doesn't work right now. Damn it. It's not working right now, so I have no idea if it's supposed to be charged. I wonder if we can use it while it's being charged. And I have no room in my laptop. So you put this in here. Plug this in here. It goes red in there to show it's charging. Holy crap, it works! It works! The first time I used tablet today. So, I'm gonna have to play with that stupid charger because I cannot play otherwise. Okay, time for some footage. So we got the pen going. Really happy that works. Alright, let's see what we got here. I have to get used to pen. Alright, so it's really weird to have this charger thing. Let's see what we got. Just trying to make sure it's completely full area. Alright, what song should we play? Let's see if I could go around remote control. I can't even spell it. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, this is the first time playing tablet in like 2 months maybe. And I failed so bad. Why? I can't play tablet. I just can't do it. Let me adjust. There we go. I'm surprised I made this far. Worst spin ever. All Pro. Nope, never mind. Oh, real long spinner, I can't spin. Ah. Yeah. Beautiful. Well, that's just